Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this week's video. So today I'm going to be showing 4 of my favorite squishies. First is this Nyan Cat Pancake one. And yeah, I know the intro was quite short. It's because I just filmed the whole video and then this thing bumped into my camera and I had to reshoot it. So yeah, I don't have much time. So first is this Nyan Cat Pancake. And it's strawberry scented and very soft and slow rising. This video is gonna be quite short, but yeah. And then I have this Galaxy Cotton Candy / Cloud. It's super squishy and sticky and slow rising too. And then this, I don't really like this. This was an example from my first video, but whatever. I hate this because it stopped me from my 5 minutes of recording. Okay, so next is this Pop Sheep. And then you have the winner of my whole entire collection. This is the winner of my whole entire collection because it's super soft and sticky and it smells like cake too. It looks like a giant tongue if I just like it's like a tongue licking me. So you can like do this and punch it and all the other stuff. Yeah, so that's pretty much all you can do with it and squish it, I guess. Okay, so I will be also showing you the the last 3 squishies. That means like the last 3 horrible squishies. I'm only gonna be showing you 2 because one of them is already here. So I'll go get that. I'll be right back. Okay, so the first one is this. I really loved it at that time because I was having a collection of Smiggle squishies. But now I don't really like it because, yeah, it's just like everything's peeling off and it's not really that squishy anymore. But stay tuned. I'm still gonna keep this squishy because I'm doing a squishy repair video. So that's why I'm keeping this. Super cute though. You guys have a look at the cracks, the rips. Okay, yeah. Do you see this, guys? This is why I need to repair it. Oh my god, it's all over my bed. It's actually like all over my bed. Don't know if you can see though. Yeah, that spot right there. Do you see it? There's a green spot. That's all the skin that came off the squishy. And secondly, I need to show you guys this. So I tried painting it myself. It's supposed to be a galaxy white unicorn. It was supposed to be plain, but I thought I could be creative and, you know, like color it. Not color it, like paint it. But this didn't go as well as I thought. All the paint is starting to crack off because I didn't use the right type of paint. I used watercolor. Like kind of watercolor, pastel color, I don't know, watercolor, and it feels horrible. Oh my god, guys, you can't see that, but you can see this, right? Do you guys see that? Do you see that? If you do see that, then comment down below. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I'm gonna put this squishy back because it's horrible. Yeah, okay, so that was kind of lame. I just kind of dirtied the whole bed for a video. I don't know how I'm going to get that off the bed, but that is quite going to be it for this week's video. Stay tuned for my room tour, because my room tour is literally going to be in like 2 days, I guess. I'm filming, today is Monday. 18th of November 2019. So let's see, 2 more days. It will be 20th of November and then it will be Wednesday. Yes, I can film. So I will be probably doing a room tour, but I need to blank out some stuff because you're not allowed to see that. Yeah. So that's gonna be it for this week's video. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and certainly thank you for just a lot of subscribers, and make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Yeah, make sure you'll be the first to comment, because the first to comment, I will be sending them a thank you letter. It's digital, so I'm not gonna like handwrite it. I'm just gonna type it in the comments. So yeah, and I will be mentioning you too. So thank you for listening. Bye, guys.